Where is your boy tonight? I hope he is a gentleman. Maybe he won't find out what I know. You were the last good thing about this part of town.
This is a really awkward video.
Yeah, because that's what he does.
Yeah. She's never snowed before.
Town.